Hello, everybody. Hope to find you happy and healthy always. Right. I guess we are approaching to our final bit of the lesson in this chapter. Most probably the second last lesson in this chapter. Right. I am going to introduce to you, in fact, just to reiterate, just to remind about writing formal letter. Okay, most of you are already exposed to writing formal letter or formal email, or we can say email to apply for a job, for example. Okay, now, but today's focus will be on formal words, the choice of words that you are going to use. We normally do not use less formal words. We don't use words that we usually use in our daily conversation. That's not the type of words that we use. We choose formal words, right? Okay. First of all, I want you to turn to page 48 of your textbook. Right. On page 48, you will see two emails. The first email is an advertisement of a job advertisement. And the second email, the bottom, is a reply to the job advertisement. Right. There are a few formal words used here. In the first paragraph, position. Second paragraph, suitable. Qualifications and available. And lastly, the word regarding in paragraph 4 is used here. Besides using formal words, we also need to use set phrases. Set phrases, or in other words, we say expressions, important formal expressions that we can use to write the email. Okay, look at page 49 in the brown box, the plan box. Okay, there are a few set phrases. For example, they have given for opening paragraph to say useful expressions to say that you understand, or to say what you are good at. Useful expressions to close the paragraph, and useful expressions to sign off. In fact, I have already sent you a link, or I will attach link of set phrases. There are suggestions of formal expressions in blue ink, and there are also not suggestions, examples of less formal expressions people normally use in emails, which are not encouraged, okay, in email, and that is given in green ink. So these are the green ink expressions you can avoid when writing email, right? Next step is planning your writing. I suggest you to use the hamburger technique. Look at the picture given here on the screen. Use the hamburger technique, right? It gives you the introduction, the important details, the main detail, importance or supporting details, and then you have the closing part, just like the hamburger, right? Okay. It is also written in page 49, right? The plan segment. Okay, you have the opening paragraph. Please read page 49. You have the main part. You can give 2 to 3 paragraphs, and you can have the closing paragraph, and you must sign off at the end of the writing, at the end of the email. Okay, these are the 3 important points: formal words, the use of important words, formal, and formal phrases, expressions. Lastly, planning. Okay, planning of your writing, right? So make sure your writing is not too draggy. Formal emails, especially when applying for jobs, need to be precise, short, and very precise, like what I have said just now. Okay, right. We will do, this is an overall explanation for writing a formal letter or email, right? Which will be very useful when I will give you the task to write an email, right? And you have to submit it to me, right? That's all for now. Thank you.